waiting for you, waiting for you. A far existence now here for me to close the gap in between. A whispering, I'm listening, I come for you. I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been sailing forever. You've been on my mind. A feeling in the depths of me, where once found chaos, now settling. Creator mocking me, a slave set free, a seal to see, a seal to see. I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been sailing forever. You've been on my mind. In the silence of your own set to never-ending love inside of you. Love poured out for my weakness, oh.